guys, so I'm new to YouTube. This is only my second video. Check out my other video, my mystery exit video. I'm gonna do a squishy collection video this time. That was like a long time ago. It's in this box, Paris box. The Paris and flowers on it. And I'm gonna show you all my squishies. I got a lot. I have 6 more coming because I ordered 6 more. So first one I picked out, I'm not looking. I have this pink peach spice bun. It's not really that squishy, but okay. Got this panda bun, and it has a little defects right here. Yeah, some of my squishies have defects on it, but at least I had them for a while. So. My mini panda bun. My cookie. And I got these all from Santa, not all of them. I only got 2. Okay. Not from Santa. I got this peach bun. Peach cracker bun. I got this croissant, the mini croissant. It's so cute. I got this peach. I have a lot of peach stuff, like these pink stuff. This peach swirly cake. Peach swirly cake. Got this macaron. Got this donut. I got another donut. It's plain donut. I got this really hard banana. My cousin gave it to me. But I said, I can have one banana part of my squishy collection. I said yes. So, it's really hard. I got this cupcake. Pretty squishy. And so rising. I got this cupcake. Another cupcake. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cupcakes. I bought this one from Walgreens. This cupcake, I like this one better. Got this cupcake. Got this cupcake. I got this steam bun. I don't know because it's like a bread. I don't know what it's called. But here's my phone strap. I have a phone strap on this one, and I think on my mini panda bun. Yep. I have this man bun. It's cute, I guess. I got this macaron. I don't know what this is actually, but I'm just calling it a macaron because I really don't know. I really don't know what this is. Got this crab. I got this shell. I mean, a clam shell, you tell me. I got this bun. I don't know what this is called. And they gave me 2 of these. Okay. I got this bread. I love the smell of this thing. It smells so good. And no, I do not have a giveaway like the other squishy collectors. Oh yeah, and that was a donut. I have this apple spice cake. Apple spice cake. I have this this lava cake. And the reason why it has a hole in it, because this is supposed to go in there, but this fell out. Well, you're okay with that, right? So, pretty squishy. I like this one. I got this sandwich or cake. I think this is cake. This cake. I got another one of those things from right here. Another cupcake. I only have one homemade squishy in here because I gave all of them to my family. One homemade squishy. It's supposed to be toast, but it's black. I don't have any color tape, and I made this like a long time ago. I'm okay with it. It's a panda. I have this cracker. It's not really that squishy, but I still love it. It's really cute. I can take any squishies. If you give me a squishy, I'll like, yay, thank you. Got this bun. I don't know what kind of bun it is. Got this cupcake. So, let me just, it's not really that squishy because I got this before. I got this cookie, or cake, whatever you want to call it. This donut bear, lemon donut bear, banana. This, kawaii. This is like right there, not on the back, not licensed, but kawaii. Yes, it's kawaii something. I forgot what it's called. Another cupcake. A bread loaf. I got a bun, steamed bun, toasted bun. I don't know. I got a cake, and this is like really soft. I like it. You see that riseness right there? I'll show you my 3 most favorite squishy at the end. Here's a cupcake. And the last squishy of my box is this paw squishy. So this is the, so I don't really have anything else, just this now. So here's my 3 favorite squishies. The panda. This one, and okay, actually 4. This one, and where's my, and this panda. So this panda, my squishy, this bread. I like it because it smells good. This other panda, mini panda, and this really soft bread. So hope you liked my video. So yeah, remember I am new to YouTube, so sorry for all of this. I'm not like the other people like that. So So I'm gonna count all my squishies while I put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. And counting the 6 that's coming, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49 squishies. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's a lot. Well, I hope you like my video. Bye.